Welcome, everybody, to Coin Curiosity. This is Redacted 9 Line, and this box was just delivered today, and I am very excited to open this. So, we know this is a coin of some sort, and as you can see, it was from HSN. So, yeah, I'm an old man, and I did do a infomercial. Well, I wouldn't call it an infomercial. But let's go ahead and slice this bad boy open. Let's see what we got. I'm very excited about this. Oh yeah. All right. How many packages are we going to have? We can pull that out. I don't need to see that. We got peanuts galore. Throw those away. Make sure no animals get to those later. Throw those away. Oh, and then we just have this nice... This Ziploc bag, everybody, this is probably 33 cents. This is definitely an upgrade from the other one. Don't even know where it went. Well, you guys remember from the other video. Let's go on and... Oh, what are we going to have? And here we go. Let's see what we got. It looks to be a Silver Eagle, everybody. This is an 2023 $1 American Silver Eagle. And this is the NGCX coin of Mint State 10. Now, let's try to zoom in a little bit better for everybody here. There we go. So, NGCX, what is it? Everybody wants to know, what is an NGCX? And what does Mint State 10 mean? 10 must be horrible, because all we ever have known is the Sheldon scale from 0 to 70. Well, NGC has finally decided to go along with the masses, which is what I have been waiting for years, to join the regular trading card collectors, the comic book collectors. I don't even know what else is out there that uses a 10-point scale. But this is what we have. First coin, for the first year, 2023 American Silver Eagles, the $1 coin. And that's what I picked up. So the first NGCX encapsulated Mint State 10. They're the only company that is currently doing it. And yeah, first grading authority. This is right from their website, everybody. What I'm about to read here. So, NGC is the first grading authority to offer a 10-point grading scale for modern coins with the same precision, consistency, and guarantee that they have been known for since their founding in 1987. It now makes it easier than ever for collectors of comics, trading cards, sports cards, and other collectibles graded on a 10-point scale to expand their interest to coins. So, you know, this may turn out to be nothing, you know, maybe a small fad that everybody will stay with the 70-point Sheldon scale. So, you know, I mean, I don't know, get with the times, update yourself. I mean, I guess we can just, maybe wait it out. And those that are hanging on to the 70-point scale may not be able to outlast us that are going off with the new 10-point scale. But this is phenomenal. So I wanted to pick one up. I don't think it's a secret because obviously you can probably just go online now and see, probably what they were going for. So the 2023 Silver Eagles, they're probably about $45. Now, what I paid to have this coin is I paid essentially double that. And that's what you're going to pay on most every American Silver Eagle, the newer ones when they started back in, don't quote me on this, 1984. I don't recall when they had brought the Silver Eagles back, but it's gonna take a decade or 2 decades for these to appreciate in value. Will definitely not depreciate, and the chance to have one of the first coins that was graded on this new 10-point scale. I don't know how I could pass it up on that when I'm sitting on my couch watching, Mike, I think that's his name, sell this. I mean, look, I've never bought anything from him before, but he got me on this one. He sure did. So, this will be staying in the collection for quite some time. And, yeah, this is the reverse of the coin, everybody. So 1 ounce fine silver. So I wanted just to take a moment to inject 2 points. So one, the less important of the 2 points, perhaps we could call it the less important, is just the overall design of the Silver Eagle. So it's a 1 ounce coin with a face value of $1. And the obverse, which we can see right here, so the front of the coin, this is a modified rendition of Adolph A. Weinman's Liberty Walking design. And that was used on $50 from 1916 through 1947. The reverse design was originally a heraldic eagle, and that looked like, let's go ahead and get this up here, the image on the left. That was the heraldic eagle. And then we moved to the flying eagle, which is on the right. And we had moved to the flying eagle in 2021. So it's 0.999 fine silver, which its a net weight is 1 ounce of silver. And it was minted at Philadelphia, San Francisco, and West Point. So, again, beautiful coin. And they did start making these in 1986 as opposed to 1984, which I believe I had said earlier in the video. But what I really want to point to is, under the scope, the reverse of the coin looks fine. But the obverse of the coin, if we look right, let's see, right there, there's a little mark. And that is a strike through. So I'd already contacted NGC about it. And then I've also spoken to a few of the coin suppliers around here, or coin dealers. And it's not necessarily going to affect the value. Both the, I'll say PCGS and NGC, and I think Annex probably does it as well, but they do accept defects like that come through from the production side of the house. I'll try to throw up something regarding that here on their notes on it, but just depending on how you hold the coin, it's difficult to see. It can get lost, but when you rotate it, it is there. Now, mind you, this is being magnified, so under normal conditions, it's I don't want to say it's difficult to see, but how much it would affect value is going to be just based upon what somebody thinks is the eye appeal, and then we'll go ahead and try to see if we can get any closer portions of that. But that is a small strike through, and so I wanted just everybody to see that, to show that I'm very happy again to have this coin, but I will admit after we did the unboxing and immediately had stopped the video. It was actually my wife that first noticed that small spot, which again was just right there. And, it things like that happen. And yes, strike throughs should not be a problem. And, I probably won't be around to see the detriment of what that could do, because again, it's going to take several years, decades, for this to significantly appreciate in value. When we start talking probably tens of thousands of dollars, we're gonna need to get very far down the road. But I wanted to point that out, and I wanted everybody to see it. I like being transparent about what I have and what I see. And I guess the little piece of advice would be, if you're going to, get a coin, yes, they are encapsulated. So I suppose I would say get what you can online or over the market through reputable dealers and certified sellers, if you will, right? PCGS, NGC. And if they're encapsulated, at least you have that certification number to go along with it. Otherwise, my suggestion would be to buy from local coin dealers and being able to hold the actual coin in your hand. But I'm still very happy to have this NGCX Mint State 10 scale that they're coming out with. Again, one of the first coins. I'm think it'll be a good addition, and if nothing comes of it, nothing comes of it. But I just wanted to pop in and say that briefly. But otherwise, beautiful. I mean, it's still just a beautiful coin. But that's that. Let's get back to the rest of the original unboxing video. This came out from the unboxing, and yeah, I'm very happy with this coin. I'm very happy to have it. So I'm glad I was able to share this with all of you to watch this unboxing of this 2023 American Silver Eagle in Mint State 10, or for you those that can't let go, MS70. Perfect, flawless, no problems with this. I like it. I'm very happy. Anywho, this has been Coin Curiosity, Redacted 9 line. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, and comment below. Take care.